Hello everyone, I am Prabjit Kaur and today we will discuss about a new topic, that is quadrilateral. What is a quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is a closed figure made by 4 line segments. See, this is a closed figure made by 4 line segments. So any closed figure made by 4 line segments is called a quadrilateral. It has 4 sides. Quadrilateral की 4 sides होती हैं, 4 angles होते हैं, 4 vertices होती हैं और 2 diagonals होते हैं. Okay, a quadrilateral has 4 sides, 4 angles, 4 vertices and 2 diagonals. In this quadrilateral ABCD, the sides are AB, BC, CD and DA. These are the sides of quadrilateral ABCD and vertices are A, B, C and D. These are the vertices of quadrilateral ABCD. Now angles are angle ABC, this angle BCD, this angle CDA, this angle and angle DAB, this angle. These are the 4 angles of quadrilateral ABCD, angle ABC, BCD, CDA and DAB. These are the 4 angles of quadrilateral and diagonals are AC and BD. What is a diagonal? The line segment joining the opposite vertices are called diagonals. The line segments joining the opposite vertices. The vertex opposite to A is C and the vertex opposite to B is D. So the line segment joining the opposite vertices are called diagonals. Fine. So in this the diagonals are AC and BD. Next comes rectangle. A rectangle is a special quadrilateral. Rectangle क्या होता है? This is a special quadrilateral. In a rectangle, all the 4 angles are of measure 90 degree. Okay, all the 4 angles are right angles and the opposite sides are equal. That means AD is equal to BC and AB is equal to DC. Okay, the opposite sides of rectangle are equal. AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC and all the 4 angles are of measure 90 degree. All the angles are right angles and its diagonals are also equal. That means AC is equal to BD. जो इसके diagonals हैं, this is the diagonal AC and this is BD and in rectangle the diagonals are also equal. Next comes square. A square is a special rectangle in which all the sides are equal. In rectangle the opposite sides are equal, but in a square all the sides are equal. So in a square all the 4 sides are equal. That means AB is equal to BC, is equal to CD and is equal to DA. Okay, so in a square all the sides are equal, all the 4 angles are of measure 90 degree, means all the 4 angles are right angle and the diagonals are also equal. Fine. So this is all about square and rectangle. And one thing you have to keep in mind, that a quadrilateral is named by its vertices written in order. While naming a quadrilateral, the vertices should be in order. That means if we are naming this quadrilateral, then we will name it as ABCD or BCDA or CDAB or DABC. Okay, all the vertices should be in order. We cannot write the name as ACBD. Okay, we cannot write the name of quadrilateral as ACBD. We have to write all the vertices in order. ओके सभी वर्टिसेस हमारी ऑर्डरली अरेंज होनी चाहिए. हम ये नहीं कर सकते कि पहले ए लिख लिया फिर सी लिख लिया फिर डी लिख लिया फिर बी लिख लिया. नो, इट शुड बी ए बी सी डी और बी सी डी ए और सी डी ए बी और डी ए बी सी. Okay, this way we write the name of the quadrilateral. So that's all about quadrilaterals.